Hello, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little video where I'm going to be recording the sound of this beautiful Shamanic drum. Is to accompany the listing on our Etsy shop, so you can have a little listen, see what the drum sounds like, and build up more of a picture of your potential purchase, so you can actually make a more informed decision. That was a long way around saying it all, wasn't it? So here we go. This is the drum in question for this video. As I say, 16-inch, it's buffalo skin, it's on an ash wood frame, beautiful hazel branch handle here, it's laced with artificial sinew. On the inside, I put the date of birth, which was the 9th of May 2023 in Knighton, Powys, UK, and I've also put my maker's mark in there, Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm going to play with a soft beater, and I'm going to swap over and play with a firmer beater halfway through. Let's have a play. Gorgeous. I don't know if you can hear behind us, there's a lot of crows making a lot of noise. My brethren. Here we go, the firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope the little video helps you to make a more informed decision. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.